No, we went. We went for Papa's 50th anniversary in Emo. So, yeah, we're going there. All of a sudden, great down line. We made it happen. We had to go drop Snuffles where?
At the dog.
Oh, the pet hotel. That was unexpected. But we went, this is all of a sudden, just woke up, found a good deal, and we're heading out. It's 11 o'clock, we're like 2 hours behind schedule. It is not as easy as you think to get out of here. We'll see. What?
It's a long time drive there.
Yes. All right, guys, so we've left the house. Ben, what's up?
We already left the house, now we're heading down where we're gonna go slide.
Oh yeah, the hill country.
The whole country. Slide town.
We'll update you. Haven't done a video in a long time.
A little rusty.
It's still Corona and we're still.
No, Corona's over. We're
Well.
over Corona.
Yeah, we're done with it. It's recording.
Okay, this is a video of the webcam at Puppy Paradise or Pet Paradise. And that is, it's hard to see, but that is Mr. Snuffles swimming in the doggy bone pool, having a blast.
Hi.
Bye-bye,
Yeah.
Snuffles.
That was forever for Ben.
Forever, right, Ben? Forever.
I don't think there is. And I know what
Oh, I see you. I see you.
That's good.
Okay, we're almost here. Hey, Ben. Yeah, we're gonna sit right here and wait for Dada, okay? There's Dada. Okay,
All right, Pumpkin.
go park
Be right
us.
back.
Okay. There he comes. He's being slow.
Jeez.
Are you okay? What did you do?
Smacked himself.
But why are you doing that? Where are you going? Were you not paying attention?
Okay, we just made it to the hotel right there. Just know where that was.
You don't want to pull it?
Okay,
What is Ben?
we're heading down to our room. Hi, Mama. Smells like peanuts in here. Oh, it smells like laundry. So we had just made it to the hotel. And we are gonna show you what our room looks like when we get in here. This is our room. This is our room in here. This is the door. That's the door.
Open.
There's a
Ready?
window.
Record.
Here it is.
You gotta hold it up.
Our room. And we're gonna sleep in here tonight. Dad, we're gonna shut down.
All right, so we're here.
Time to go to bed. Good night, everybody.
Now, back at night.
Good night, everybody.
Now.
Hi, holiday. Bye, Stumbles. Let's go.
Hello.
Lolo.
Molo.
Molo. Oh, don't hurt yourself. Oh,
Mama,
thank you, Mom.
we're over here.
Okay.
Too preoccupied, Dada.
Oh, I know. I get it.
Easy. I think you can do it. Come on, let's do it. What? First, keep them down. What? Get right there. You put grandma on the side.
You down? Ben, I'm gonna go up there with you, okay?
Okay.
Let's party.
Who's gonna get me at the box?
Mom, you can record with your phone. Okay. Here goes, Ben. What is gonna happen?
I'm going down it.
Ben, you were too small last time.
Yes, I was. I know I'm giant.
Oh man. Oh, look how high we are. Look how high we are. You ready? All right, Ben. Oh no. Stay like that. Okay. Cross your feet. Come on, Benjamin! Come on! Woo! Okay, get up! Get up! Get right here, get in! Good job! You want to do it again? Oh!
Yeah!
Okay, don't run. All right, hey, high five! Woo! Go!
You're gonna do it again! Oh, be careful, don't stump your toe. All right, baby. Hey, I'm gonna get down there and get you coming down this time, okay?
Okay.
Were you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's hot.
What?
You're big enough now. I'm so excited. You guys, I'm gonna get upstairs. I'll watch him.
One more? You go with, hey. Is it? So, Ben already went down that slide, and it was a hit. I'm getting Mama some alcohol, and wow, I think it's going to be a good time.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here, take this. Take this.
Woo! Here goes Big Mike. Big Mike is going down the hill. No, my dad's gonna go.
Oh. So that's an exit right there.
Then I get out of the water.
Get all the water out, Dada. That's right. My dad. Look at me. Don't back up into there.
Acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. Flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
What if you fall down?
Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.
That looks silly.
So take me on a trip,
All right, let's go over here. Chill out. Let's do another bar over here.
Like 80 pounds. Dragging on it.
City lights are shining so bright. All these empty spaces, we don't care about it tonight.
Hey, so how much fun did you have?
And we'll ride that thing tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh yeah. Bet you, Mom.
I'm not riding. I think you lost your mind.
I don't know. I think she lost her mind.
When I start getting better and better, I can go on my own.
So what are you gonna do first? On that, are you gonna jump off?
I know, maybe I'm gonna surf for a while and then hit the goal.
So young.
All right, for some reason, the closet door was not operating at the other one. And they came and fixed it, and it fell out again. So, we just let them know, and they upgraded it to a balcony room. And Ben, don't drop it, be careful. So a balcony room, and Ben's gonna show you.
That's what it looks like.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
2 benches.
Look at the old balcony you get. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
And then we got that room over there. And then we got those cactuses.
All right, so we're gonna go eat dinner.
Where are you go?
We don't know, we're gonna go see. We'll find out.
Dana, what's up?
The story will continue, right, Ben?
Let me see it.
I will check every care. Look how clean they are. Cleaning.
Oh, they're having movie nights, but they're sitting. They do have some games here for you. Normally, this is a bar you can sit at. Put on your YouTube, all right, Ben? Who's winning? You? Ah, we got a winner! All right.
Dada, did you turn the gas up? Dada, did you turn the gas up? You don't want to hurt Ben. Maybe you should turn it down a little bit.
You mean
Dada, yeah. Like, look at the fire you created. Babe, did the Hyatt Hill Country tell you to turn it up?
Okay, that's full blown.
Dad, you're gonna get them out here. They're gonna be out here going, what the hell is going on? Danger, danger, Dad's in the vicinity. Danger, danger.
Sit down. I'll sit right next to you. So this is the morning of our second day here. Oh, that's right. So Ben decided he's gonna go surfing. Mom's scared as usual. There's kids and girls that are like 3 and 4 doing it, and Mom's like, no. But we're gonna do it.
They was like, the guy's gonna have to help me get on it.
He gets 30 minutes. It's a little, I think, pricey. 30 minutes for $30. Up to 5 people at once are going to be in that area. So we'll see how that works out. Let's go have breakfast.
No, 2.
I get on this breakfast. We're going to eat breakfast, and Ben has taken 2 chicken strips from the old, cold ones. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Oh, there's nobody here. Why is there nobody here? Outside.
Huh? I don't think there are.
Oh, yeah.
Here, let's show Dada. Look, Dada. Wait, don't put that in here. Look, this is Texas waffle.
Wait, it's actually, Jenna, look, it's in the water.
Oh, it is like the Gulf of Mexico.
When the drinks and everything's come down.
Okay, maybe.
Oop, other this side.
So, we have just ate breakfast that can you talk?
We had breakfast.
Wasn't that good? We paid a lot.
Oh, what's going on? Very
The
disappointed
orange
with the Hyatts
juice,
lately.
the orange juice did not taste good.
You would think,
Maybe we're just too picky.
oh no, still stuck up, but
Just the
you would get
$10.
orange juice out of Hyatt, it'd be fresh squeezed.
That's very
That sounds
All right, so we've had breakfast. Now we're heading to the pool.
It's this one.
Yeah, which one? Were you right? You picked both of them, so you had to be right.
Goodbye, lazy COVID.
Lazy COVID.
Lazy.
COVID.
Lazy river.
Lazy River COVID. Wrong guy.
Then what is number 4?
All right, so here we go. Either we're bad parents or we're good parents, right?
I'm against it.
Of course. Like,
Oh boy, here we go.
Listen, listen. What? Oh, your pants! Pull your pants up! That was awesome! Hey, buddy. I'm proud of you. That last one was even better.
You did so good. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Our time's
That's
over.
it. Time's
We're gonna
up.
go down the slide now, but we're gonna tell her. Let's go tell her thank you.
Oh, yes. When she's done. No, wait till she's done.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all too. Y'all too. Good job, bud.
Thank you. Last one.
Dude, you did it. I got it all on video, that last one, bro.
The last one is cool.
Yeah, I didn't.
You were awesome.
I did.
You did record the last one.
Oh, yeah, I got the records. You've gotten so brave, man.
Oh, my husband's coming, so be prepared. You're likely to get wet. Oh boy.
Oh, so we're gonna be heading out to
Riverwalk.
where? The Riverwalk. The Riverwalk. Yes.
Due to Corona and the protests going on in our country, they have the Alamo completely shut down. So sad. At least it's protected.
Get on the bridge. Get on the bridge right here. Come here. Look, get over.
There they go. You want to go on the boat? I've been on the boat.
Ben, look how cool this is. Do you think the Riverwalk's cool? It is pretty cool. I haven't been here in forever.
How deep is it?
You're not allowed to go in there, huh?
Here, let's go check it. I know the waterfall. I was trying to go in this hotel. Jackie, here. Help me out. Let me help you out. Let me get you off your pants. Wait. Okay.
I told you it was slick, right? I'm fine. Mama's fine.
I got that. Look at her. I gotta had the video going.
Did you get it on
but
camera?
I don't think I got it.
Oh my god.
She just ate her butt. Ben, right here. Ben, come here. No, this is a fountain.
Look, this is where I want us to stay. See the water down here, right here?
Okay, here, on the other side, over here. They can't go on certain, they can't go past certain heights. They'll cut out over the outer.
Yes, I do. Real good feeling. You say you've been burned a few times now. Well, so have I. You say you learned to tell.
So dinner's over. This is our last night. Ben's gonna go play. He's exhausted.
You gives me a real good feeling. We're just two lonely souls meeting at a laundromat.
Well, this is Monday night, our last night here of our 2-night stay.
Yes.
And tell you what, Ben, have you had a good time?
Yeah.
Man, Mom, how about you, man?
I've had a good time.
No, we really enjoyed it. Ben was good. You know,
Not yet.
I just want to say we really had a good time. It was a good trip, and Ben wants to do bottle flips, and all I'm trying to say is that probably see you going home. Oh, that's it.
So Daddy's gonna get it closer. Here we go. Oh, Ben, look over here. Come on. Your cup. Look, Ben. Forget this. What's your ice cream? Oh no, sprinkles. Where are they at? Oh, please snap. Delicious. Oh, here it comes. Wait, hold on. And ready, and wow.
We are leaving, heading home from the Hyatt Hill Country in the lobby. America on one side, Texas on the other. Did you have a good time? Yeah.
Are you gonna say it?
Yes, my dream home.
Oh, yes.
And
Love
this
it.
is my place.
Had a great time. We are heading out.
And I'm like, I don't want to leave home and stay here for 80 nights.
Oh,
There's Dada. Let's go.
at at the end of our trip. Look at this. He's fine, right, Ben? He was fine. He had all this to play. Had a pool, a resort,
A park.
park. Oh, he's good. He's coming. I can hear him. You think he's coming? I think he's coming.
Snuffles.
Snuffles. Thank you. Oh no.
Sorry, we need to go over your time.
Okay. Oh. No more. Outside so he doesn't pee. You laughing, man?